In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the Pages section, how to create a new page, and how to name it clearly so your file stays organized as it grows. First, open Figma and load the design file you want to work in. You can do this in the desktop app or in your browser. Once your file is open, make sure you're looking at the design canvas. If your right-hand sidebar shows prototype or any other mode, switch back to the design panel so you can focus on building and organizing your work. Next, draw your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This panel is where Figma lists your pages, and beneath that, all the layers on the page you're currently viewing. If you don't immediately see the Pages section at the top of the sidebar, it may be collapsed. Expand the left panel so the Pages list becomes visible. Now, in the Pages section, look for the small plus icon. This is your shortcut to creating a new page in the current file. Go ahead and click the plus icon. Figma instantly adds a fresh, empty page to your list and switches your view to it. Think of each page as a separate workspace within the same file, great for keeping explorations, final designs, and components neatly separated without cluttering a single canvas. With your new page created, it's a good idea to rename it right away so you and your teammates know what it's for. To rename the page, double-click the page name in the left panel and type something descriptive. Aim for labels that make sense at a glance, like Homepage V1, Components, or User Flows. Consistent naming helps when you return later or share the file with collaborators. You can also include dates or version tags if that fits your workflow. A quick note on how pages behave. Switching between pages won't affect the content on other pages, so you can safely explore new directions without worrying about disrupting existing work. When you add a page, it starts blank. You can add frames, layouts, and components as needed, just like on your original page. That's all there is to it. Open your file, ensure you're in the design view, locate the Pages section in the left sidebar, click the plus icon to add a new page, and rename it to keep your project organized. With these simple steps, your Figma files will stay clean, navigable, and ready for collaboration as your project grows.